Right back at it with another video. It's pretty nice outside. It's a little windy. If you've seen the title, obviously if you see the title, thumbnail, you know what I'm doing. I'm gonna try to do this without taking the bumper off. Try to make it the quickest install I've done yet. First thing, pop your hood. You know how to pop your hood? You shouldn't be doing that. Gotta take these retainer clips off. I think that's what they're called. So you get your little tool here, right? Thing here. Use a screwdriver, but that's all I got right now. Pop that little thing in the middle up. Once you get it enough up, take this there tool here, get right in there between it, pull it up, and that way you don't break the clip. So we're gonna do all of these, and then I'll show you next. Took the radiator cover off. Now you gotta disconnect your fog lights right there. See those little things? That's gonna be the worst part. I was trying to do this without taking the bumper off. And then you gotta separate all these clips here, these here clips, which should be easier once I get these fog lights off. Next, you're gonna disconnect your fog lights. It was in like here, the tab right here. So all you gotta do when you get to it, you push the tab down, pull it out. It's a little hard to get to. Gotta do it on this side. I'm not gonna film that because it's hard. Gotta take this thing off. I realized I didn't have what I needed. This here is an 8mm, 5/16 for those who don't know. It's alright if you don't know. I'm gonna use thread locker. So we're gonna get those both off on both sides. I know I said I wanted to make this a quick, easy video, but it's quickly turning into something else. Right. Getting this light off is going to be difficult, but now we have those bolts off, so we can get that thing over there. That's very crucial because now I can pop this good. These down here. Oh no, maybe I can't. Is there another clip? Oh, there's a clip over here. I had to get this clip. Like I had to push it out. You can't really see it. Where's it at? This clip right here, I had to push this part out. Alright, I got it right in here like this, and I pushed it out. It's not really focusing, but it's somewhere in there. So then from that, these side ones came here. You got to connect the grill from the blue part, because the blue part's a part of the bumper, which I wasn't even thinking about. So now that's what I'm doing. So that's one right there. You don't want to, but I kinda am at the moment. That's another clip off on the side. Get that off. Disconnect the lights. Push the tab down, pull it off. Now we gotta do the same thing on the other side. We have the grill off. To clean up, I guess, this part right here. The surface somewhat cleaned up. Line your grill up. Make sure the tabs all go in to where they're supposed to go. Make sure you get the ones on the sides. I get these big retainer clip thingies right there. Okay. I don't know exactly how, because this grill will not stand by itself. So you just position it over it. Believe. Oop. Line it up. Gotta get it lined up. It gotta be the other way. Is it this way? And what that's doing, I guess, is keeping it secure, I guess. Yeah. So you're gonna do the bigger ones, all the bigger clips for the bottom, and then these little itty bitties for them side things that's gonna hurt your hand to get there. They're in there, so for me to show you that's gonna be hard. But yeah, there's no way I'm gonna be able to show that. Well, you get the idea. Them clips are ridiculous. This thing got scratched somehow. I don't even know how, but it is. I got something for it. Everything back. Radiator cover. Almost. It's ridiculous. But get all your clips back in. However you can, if you can. These are annoying me. You might have to push and pull because the fitment's not 100%, but it's like it's close, but it's not quite. There you have it. That is how you change a grill on a 2010 to 2012 Mustang GT or the V6 with the GT bumper. And as you can see, it's a little bit loose because I dropped those retainer clips. I'll have to get those later. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, browse the channel. Stay tuned for more. Have a nice day.